Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best portable sawhorses in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Metabo Hpt Sawhorses. This power tools is one of the best options out there if you are looking for value for money heavy-duty tools that offer a lot of things for the given price tag. This sawhorse is present in the first position in this article as it is the cheapest option present in this article. Even though it is quite affordable and ideal for users on a budget, you get a lot of things with it that results in a high value for money. Starting with its weight limit capacity, you can use it for working on up to 1,200-pound wooden planks for cutting them using a saw quite easily. One of the best things about this one is that it is a highly reputable brand of power tools that is known for making highly durable and reliable products. Due to this, you get a 5-year-long warranty along with a decent build quality in this sawhorse. Its sawbucks on the side allow you to easily hold 2x4 flat planks on the side for additional workspace while working with this sawhorse. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bora Portamate Sawhorse. When compared with other options out there, this is a lesser-known brand of sawhorses. Although most of its models are made for heavy-duty usage because of the features and numbers offered by it. This sawhorse is present in the second position in this article as it is the best option for heavy-duty usage in this article. While it is a bit on the expensive side, it can be a great pick if you are a professional carpenter and want to cut heavy and large planks. This is possible due to the reason that it offers a weight capacity rating of up to 1,500 pounds that should be more than enough for you. Even though this is a lesser-known brand of sawhorses, you still get a decent 1-year-long warranty. And as you would expect from any other option at the given price range, this one also offers a great build quality. Its metal top is highly sturdy and strong for easily working with 2x4 wooden planks. Another handy feature of this sawhorse is that you get a foldable leg design for ease of use. Number 3. Our third best pick is ToughBuilt Sawhorse. As you can tell by its name, it has multiple sawhorse options out there that are built properly and offer a great build quality to the user that makes them highly durable and reliable. This sawhorse is the most durable and reliable option present in this article due to its construction and specific things offered by it that are not present in others. For starters, it is the only sawhorse option present in this article that offers a lifetime warranty. Not only that, but you also get an excellent build quality in this sawhorse. When you consider both of these, you can expect this sawhorse to easily last for a long time. Apart from being highly durable and reliable, this sawhorse is also quite functional. You can use it to easily hold up to 1,300-pound wooden planks due to its weight capacity limit. As for the size rating, you can use it with up to 4x4 plank size quite easily. A highly handy feature of this sawhorse is that you get height-adjustable legs in this sawhorse. This can be quite handy to ensure that you get an ergonomic standing position while using it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is TOMAX Portable Folding Sawhorse. It is yet another brand of sawhorses that makes portable sawhorse and is quite similar to orup mentioned earlier because of the multiple similar features and options offered by this sawhorse. This portable sawhorse comes at a very justified price tag for all the features and options that it offers to the user. You get a decent 275 pounds of weight capacity with this sawhorse that makes it ideal for simpler consumer-grade usage and not heavy-duty applications. While it is not the highest rating, it is pretty good when you consider that this is a portable sawhorse due to its foldable design for ease of use. Since you get a foldable design in this sawhorse, storing this sawhorse after usage is quite easy. Another great thing about this sawhorse is that you get a lightweight construction in it so that taking it from one place to another is easy for portable usage. Even though it is lightweight, the build quality is quite good, and it should easily last for a long time. Unfortunately, you only get a 90-day-long warranty with this sawhorse that is quite less than most other options out there. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is orup Portable Folding Sawhorse. orup is a brand of sawhorse that is mainly made for consumer usage in your garage or a basic workshop, due to which it offers simple and affordable options to its consumers. This portable folding sawhorse is present in the last position in this article, as it is a great option if you are looking for a simple and practical sawhorse. Just per its name, it is a portable sawhorse that makes it ideal for those who want to cut wooden planks on a remote job site. Even though it has a portable design, you get a weight supporting capacity of up to 275 pounds that is the same as most other portable options out there. Even though this brand is such a small brand of sawhorses, you get a decent build quality with it. This model offers a lightweight and simple folding design that simply works. Its anti-slip EVA work surface offers proper grip so that the plans that you want to work on don't move at all. Unfortunately, since this is a smaller brand of sawhorses, you do not get any warranty with it that can be an issue in the long run. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.